Hii Friends, today we discuss about some tips on mindful study. Here are some tips on how to concentrate on your studies. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable study space. It is essential to have a quiet and comfortable study space where you can focus on your studies without any distractions. 2. Set goals and create a plan. Before you start studying, set specific goals and create a plan to achieve them. This will help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour to recharge your brain. 4. Use active studying techniques. Instead of just reading your notes, try to actively engage with the material by taking notes, creating flashcards, or practicing problems. 5. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone, close your social media tabs, and let your family or roommates know that you need to focus on your studies. 6. Stay hydrated and nourished. Drinking enough water and eating healthy snacks can help you stay alert and focused. 7. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help you improve your concentration and reduce stress. Remember, concentration is a skill that takes practice, so don't get discouraged if you find it difficult at first. Keep trying these tips and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.